Hey guys, welcome back to Classic Arcade Repairs, and now today we are starting one that I'm really excited about. Today we start working on Star Wars PCB. This is my first Star Wars PCB, and I used to love this game when I was younger. I still love it. Me and my son were actually talking about, getting an arcade one-up. Just to play, just to play the game. And the arcade one-up actually comes with 3 games. It sounds pretty cool, and I don't see myself getting an original stand-up arcade game. Come on. So, yeah, we were actually checking it out, watching some videos on YouTube about it, and looking at picking one of those up and put in the living room to play. Anyway, I do have one on the bench. We're going to go over and take a look at it and see how it goes together and everything. And I am going to have to spend a lot of time making harness stuff for this guy because it's got 3 interconnect boards, so I'm going to have 3 boards laid out. It's got a CPU board, it's got an analog vector generator board, and a sound board. And it's all connected with a backplane little PCB with 3 edge connectors on it. So I do have those edge connectors, and I'm going to have to wire them all together, which is going to be a pain in the butt, but once I get it done, it's done. It's going to take me all day, probably 2 days to do that. So that'll be probably this weekend, is just building that backplane connector so that I can lay the boards out on the bench instead of having them in a stack. So we'll do that. We'll get to that, and we'll go over there and take a look at the board first and foremost, so see how it's all looking and going together. So let's get over to the bench and check out that board set. Let's do it. Well guys, I just sat down to start doing my harness work. I've got my pinouts here for the AVG board and the CPU board. Took the board set apart, removed this guy, and right off the bat, dun dun dun, okay, these 2 are okay. This guy needs to be replaced. There's a little damage right there. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. And then this pin is just broke. So this one right here, you can see that little damage right there. It sticks out like a sore thumb. See that? This one's got to be replaced, and I do have extra of these. I do. So I will replace this one. But I have a lot of harness work to do. A lot of harness work to do. So that's going to be most of part 1 of this video, is harness stuff. I'll let you see how I go about doing that. Again. Okay, I have my 3 connectors, and I do have a 4th one that I'll use to replace for right here. But this is, these are these. So I'm going to make, here's my box of wire. This is 30 gauge wire. It'll be nice and manageable. It's very, very thin and flexible, so it's very workable. So I'm going to daisy chain all of these together so that I can put all 3 boards out. Most of the time I'll only use 2 of them, but when I do get to the soundboard, I want to be able to put that out too. So I'm just going to do all 3 of them, and that'll be my interconnect for Star Wars. And I still have to build the harness to plug into my adapter. So I better get to it. Alrighty, and just to point out, there does have to be a method to this madness, because the way that these are going to be wired up is going to be specific. So I've got these all labeled. That's parts for the AGV board, AVG. That's that board. I've just got this thing removed to protect it. It's like a satellite board thing. CPU board, parts for the CPU board, and parts for the soundboard. How this goes, this sits just like this on top of here. Okay? These are flipped. So the part sides are both like this, right? They're not stacked one on top of each other. This one is flipped over, and then this one is on top of it. Therefore, this pin is actually wired to this pin. And all the way, these are wired like this. So this one will go here. The next one will go here. All the way to this one being wired to here. Whereas this guy is wired straight here to here and down. So it goes this way and this way. So this one right here will be wired to this one. So they're flipped. They're flip-flopped. These have to be flip-flopped. Wired here to here. And then from here, not to over here, but to here. So these are specific. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, you have to have these things wired together right. So, with that being said, I will get to it. Okay, and a progress update. The first line of wire attachment is done. That's not both sides. It's just one side. Still a ton to do, and these are different sizes. There's 14 short, 14 more a little bit longer, and then 14 longest that will go between the boards. So next is I'm doing one side at a time. I'm going to do one side complete, and then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the other side complete. So next thing to do is wire these wires to this guy, and I have to put two wires together and solder onto each one, because then it has to daisy chain over to that guy. So that's the next step. Okay, and here is progress part 2. I've got this connected over to this, and the wires are doubled. And the doubled wires come out and they go to this guy. So, and the other side, of course, is not done. I'm doing one side completely, and then I'll flip it over. I'll do the other side completely. So, connect this guy, and I'll have one side done. And it's taken me, I've been at this probably 3 hours at least today. So, yeah, I'd say about 3 hours maybe. It's not terrible. Once this is done, it's done. So, yeah. Alrighty, I will carry on. Alright, the good news is one side is completely done. Here's the AVG board, the CPU board, and the sound board. And these are wired correctly to where this goes here, and then this is all the way out here, but this goes here, and this is out to here. So these two are wired different from these two. Bad news is I got to do the entire second side still. Yeah, the entire second side is still to be done. Ugh. So we'll get to the second side. Here's progress update. I've been kicking this out. I got both sides of this done. Over to both sides of this. And now I just have to bring the second side over to this guy. And this will be complete. This goes a lot quicker and a lot easier when you got some good music to listen to. So, all right. And the inner board connectors are complete. AVG board comes over. Look at all of this wire. CPU, and keep in mind these two are interchangeable. You could have the CPU plugged into over here, and you could have the AVG over here if you wanted to. I just have it this way. And this one has to be the soundboard though, right here, because these two are wired different. This is how this is wired. This is how this thing's wired up. You have the AVG and CPU. The outsides go to the outsides and inside to the inside. But the sound one, the left side goes to the left and the right to the right. You know, whereas you got the left to the right and the right to the left here. So that's how this is wired up. So the soundboard has to go in this one. These two are actually interchangeable. So, but I'm going to wire my harness part so that actually I'm gonna make it long enough to make it to where I can do either or. So that's how this works. And it is complete. Finally. Excellent. So now I get to start working on the other part, the harness that plugs into my setup. Has to be built. This is just the interconnects. Excellent. Alrighty. Well, this is going to be the end of this part of this video. And the next one will be laying out and doing the harness to plug into there, I guess. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for Star Wars.